Hey, I'm Dan Willingham. I'm a professor who studies human learning, here with a quick video about what to do when you've got a big exam coming and you just have had no time to study for it. First, identify the major themes in the course. There's going to be a limited number of them. You want those to be foremost in your mind because that's going to guide the rest of your studying. If this is a STEM course, and you're going to be solving a lot of problems on the exam, then you're thinking about the types of problems that you're going to solve. Again, there's going to be a limited number of them with some sub-varieties, so make sure you've got those straight in your mind. Okay, you've got your list of big picture themes, big ideas in the course. Those you obviously need to memorize. Now, what you do next depends on what type of test you're preparing for. If it's a multiple choice test, you need to figure out all the details that relate to each of those major themes. Make flashcards and spend a lot of time working with flashcards because multiple choice tests are all about knowing details. If you're preparing for an essay test, you don't need to know all of the details. You just need to know a few, and they need to be specifically related to those main themes that you're studying. You need supporting examples when you write an essay. So spend just a little bit of time figuring out which details you're going to commit to memory. You want to spend much more time thinking about how you can thread those major themes into a coherent essay. Think a lot about those connections because on essay exams, you always get more value if your essay makes sense, if it's coherent, if it tells a story, if it makes an argument. So that's what you want to be thinking about when you study. The biggest challenge on exams where you're working problems is recognizing problem types. You may be pretty comfortable applying problem solutions that you've studied and learned. The difficulty is recognizing, oh, this is that type of problem. The best way to prepare for that is once you've gotten reasonably comfortable with working the problems, compare problems that require the same solution. By comparing the problems, you're looking at what they have in common. That's going to help you see the underlying structures of problems that look different on the surface. Last thing I'll say is I would use every available moment. Do not underestimate how much you can learn in that final 30 seconds as the exam papers are being passed out. Good luck.